it's Miss Nancy, and it's getting close to summer, so I thought I would show you my special 4th of July glasses. Plus, I love these glasses because they are guitars, and I love to play my guitar. I play my guitar all the time. Maybe next time I see you, maybe next year at school, maybe I'll bring my guitar and we could play a couple songs and sing a couple songs together. All right, so for right now, I'm going to take these off so that I can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to take these off. Put them right there. Okay, so today what we're going to work on, let's pretend you have a job and you are helping a teacher at school. And the teacher wants you to collate some papers. So all collating means is that you're going to take so many pieces of paper. So for this job, we're going to take 5 pieces of paper, and then you guys all know what this is called. It's called a paper clip, okay? The top of the paper clip has 1 curve. The bottom of the paper clip has 2 curves, 1 curve here and 1 curve at the bottom. And that's where we're going to slip the paper through between those 2 curves at the bottom, kind of like that. But first, we need to count out 5 pieces of paper. So the first is that we have a worksheet that the little kids are going to trace around the shapes. So let's count out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we cannot put the paper clip on these because they're too messy. When we talked about the towels, when we folded the towels, remember, the edges had to match. So the easiest way to do it is take one hand on both sides of the paper, hold them loosely, and tap them on your table until the sides match up and the top and the bottom are even. Okay? Then you're going to take your paper clip. Now remember the 2 curves? Okay? You're going to put the paper, hold the paper with one hand, all 5 pieces, and put 1 curve in the front and the other curve in the back of the paper. So we have 1 curve in the front and the other curve in the back. It doesn't matter which curve goes in the front or the back. It can only be 1 curve in the front, 1 curve in the back. And we're going to put it in the top left corner. If you need help knowing what the top left corner is, ask your mom or your dad maybe to, like I happen to have some purple tape here, put a little mark on the table just to remind you that when your paper's down, that's where you're going to put the paper clip, in the top left corner. And you just slide it all the way down. And then just take your stack of paper and put it over there. Now we need to count out 5 more pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next step, hold them loosely, tap, tap, tap on the table. Now hold it with one of your hands. With the other hand, get your paper clip. Put the 2 curved parts toward the paper at the bottom. Remember, 1 curve goes in the front, 1 curve goes in the back. And slide it all the way down in the left corner. If you forgot which is the top left corner, put your paper down and look at your mark on the table. That's 2. We'll do it one more time. Okay, let's count out 5 pieces of paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick them up loosely. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, you guys are good at that part. Hold it with one hand. Pick up your paper clip. You remember, we have the 2 curves at the bottom, remember? 1 curve goes in the front, 1 curve goes in the back, and slide it down, and you're going to do that in the top left corner. Remember, if you need that little piece of tape on the table to remind you, but I think you probably remember by now what the top left corner is, so I bet you have that down. And then you put it on the stack. Now, when we take our stacks, remember, they can't be all messy like this, right? Because the teacher would like them neat, or your boss, if you were working at an office, would like them neat. So once again, hold them loosely and tap, tap, tap until the sides are even and the top and the bottom, and then neatly lay your stack of paper on the table. And then that's all you have to do. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.